If your sales depend on you constantly pushing, reminding, or chasing, your marketing may not be doing its job. When marketing is when marketing is clear, it pulls people in, right? When it's not clear, sales only happen when you apply pressure. Now, I hear this often from business owners who feel tired. They just feel drained. They say sales only happen when they post more or follow up harder or explain themselves over and over again, right? The moment that they actually slow down, sales slow down too. And then that's a sign that the message isn't carrying the weight that it should. The person is doing all the work instead of the marketing doing all the work. Think about a time you felt confident buying something, anything. You didn't need convincing, right? You understood the offer, the value, and the outcome. That clarity, that understanding created comfort for you. And that is why you decided to make the purchase. When your marketing lacks that clarity, that easy understanding for your customers, your buyers, right? Your buyers are going to need extra reassurance. They're going to need some extra hand holding to make them feel comfortable enough with making the purchase. And that turns into a longer conversations and could lead to more objections or even less sales. Okay. So what's likely going wrong is that the marketing talks around the problem instead of naming it directly. It sounds probably polite, probably a little bit broad, or maybe safe, like a safe space, right? You don't really want to, you're maybe trying not to ruffle too many feathers or make people feel uncomfortable. But the thing is, it's not specific enough. So buyers can't even tell the offer is really for them because there is no actual problem being outlined. So they wait or they ask for more information. Now, that hesitation actually slows everything down. Okay. The strategic insight is this. This is what you need to think about. Okay. Marketing should answer the buyer's main concern before they ever even speak to you. When your message is very clearly stated, how you fix the problem and what changes after they actually tap into that, right? Your sales conversations become so much easier and more consistent. So here's one clear action that you can take today. Okay. Look at your main sales page or your pitch or your content, wherever you have your offer, and ask yourself this question. Okay. Does this clearly say what problem I actually fix with my business and who it's for in the first few sentences? And if not, then you're going to need to rewrite it until the answer is so obvious. It just makes it so easy for your customer to say yes. Okay. So make it clear first and not clever. Don't make them guess or have to do any guesswork, right? Just put it in plain English right in front of them. The easier, the better. So the takeaway from this is super simple. If you feel like you have to push for every single sale, your marketing just needs clearer direction, okay? And when clarity leads, sales follow more naturally. So get that understanding so your customers can buy from you faster and easier. If you want to see how I help fix slow or inconsistent sales grow with clear marketing direction, then follow me on LinkedIn to see how I work with businesses every day. All right, friend, thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.